Hello everyone, I'm Kajal Mehra from TimesTech and today we are at Electronica for Electronica 2026 and today with us is Mr. Senthil Nagaraj. He is the country sales manager of Indium Solder Private Limited. Hello Senthil.
Thank you.
Hi, how are you?
Nice to meet you.
Same here.
Good.
So first of all, I would like you to introduce yourself and more about your role at Indium Solder to our viewers and audience.
Okay. My name is Senthil Nagaraj. So I come up with over 20 years of experience in advanced material and chemical industry. I've been closely involved in business development and market expansion and building businesses from the ground up. Having spent 2 decades in serving electronic manufacturing in India, so I've been closely working with OEMs, Tier 1 and EMS's company, especially in semiconductor, especially in PCB fabrication and assembly, power electronics and automotive electronics. Now, of course, with the emerging semiconductor and AI industries as well. So over these years, I've built strong connection across the industry through value partnership and offering sustainable solutions. And right now, I'm excited to be part of Indium Corporation. As a country sales manager, my focus is on strengthening our presence in India through offering sustainable supply chain reliability and offering sustainable solutions.
Thank you so much for your
Performance.
So moving ahead to the Q&A session, and my first question for you is that what are the latest innovation in soldering materials and technologies that Indium is bringing to the global electronics industry?
Okay, I would like to address in Indian market perspective on the product innovation standpoint for Indian market. We would like to offer solution that addresses customer cost challenges as well as not to compromise on the reliability. And we have, for example, we have a low silver alloy solution that helps customer to optimize the cost and address the cost challenges in the market. So this is very essential for the high volume manufacturing. Then we have a Durafuse line of mixed alloys for a better thermal performance and higher reliability. And we have Indium 12.9 HF, which is for reduced voiding and better output for fine printing application. And not the least, we have an innovative product lineup for semiconductor packaging and assembly. And this goes into the semiconductor OSAT and the advancing AI industry.
Perfect. So with increasing miniaturization and complexity in electronics, how are solder materials evolving to meet these demands?
Okay. So when you talk about the miniaturization, as the electronic devices become more powerful and compact, the role of materials becomes more critical, and then that's where the innovation makes a lot of difference. And we are in a continuous R&D development, and our innovation in the advanced semiconductor packaging solution is quite evident that we are positioning our product based on not the current demand, but the future, the technology what it demands.
Okay. Sustainability is becoming crucial. How is Indium addressing environmental concern in its products and processes?
That's a good question. So India has already transitioned from using halogen-free products and as well as a lead-free product. It's totally out of our product lineup now. So we are coming up with a product that is taking care of the sustainability issues as well.
Okay. Yes. What key trends do you expect to dominate the electronics manufacturing ecosystem over the next 3 to 5 years?
Okay. Clearly, the momentum is electronics right now in India. So when you look at the Indian electronic manufacturing output, it's valued at 120 billion and mainly driven by mobile phone manufacturing and power electronics and automotive electronics. With an advancement in investment in semiconductor and AI industry, India is expected to grow fivefold and to reach 500 billion by 2030.
Yes.
And I think it's quite possible to achieve that milestone because it's strongly supported by government policy initiative, China Plus One strategy, and increasing localization. And how we see the complete ecosystem, the evolution of the ecosystem in India, because there is a localization is vital. But the localization is not just about the local manufacturing. It's more about building confidence and trust in the supply chain. And that's what it's I believe.
Definitely. So how do global supply chain challenges impact solder material innovation and availability?
Yeah, there is always an issue with the supply chain when you talk about the importing of products for the localization. That's the whole idea that people are localizing. There is companies who are starting a manufacturing in India, whether it is a material or equipment, and everything is trying to be localized here. So I find the localization is smooth now, and it should take another 5 years for this to settle down and to be the stronger thing.
So thank you very much.
Thank
That
you so
was
much.
it, and thank you so much for your insights, for your time, and thank you so much for watching us.